Chapter 13 Quantum Leaps. Quantum leaps mean achieving something that is far beyond of what we have ever achieved. We can think about whatever we want and it takes the same amount of action for the supreme power no matter how big it is. The only thing that matters is to be at ease with the idea we have in mind. To have a relaxed mind irrespective of the past and the present circumstances. We have to be in a relaxed state, neither bubbling with happiness nor drowning in sadness. That is when we get ideas or flashes of images or a direction in our mind from the common factor, the omnipresent supreme power, in accordance with our personal factor, our thoughts or the idea we have in mind. For example, when we are in a class and we are too happy or too sad, we never follow the class at all. Similarly, we cannot distinctively get hold of the idea that flashes in our mind until we are calm. The next step is to write it down as detailed as possible. The flash stays for only a few seconds and we simply forget it. So, to act on it, we write it and then we will remember it. The idea will generally look illogical, too scary, too simple, anything that does not match to any of the logical ways you thought the strategy would look like. Just trust it and act on it. In the beginning, I knew I had to trust and act on it. I wasn't sure if it really was the idea that flashed or my logical side giving direction. But I also knew that my line of thoughts were nowhere near to the idea that flashed. So it must be the idea. Also, I had no better option then. At the same time, I didn't have any logical proof that it will work, but I simply acted on it. And it worked out. After the first conscious experiment, it gets easier to identify the idea. Best part of all, the universe unfolds you in stages. If you wanted to go to space, it won't throw you into space just like that. Instead, it will make you go through training right where you are now, makes you prepared enough to seek professional help, get the proper training and equipments. Finally, you can go to space. Actually, there will be better, unique and undiscovered ways to achieve this goal. Also, it doesn't mean it takes a lot of time to get the preparation done. The universe is infinite. It knows the shortest course possible and still unfold you in stages. It all depends on the trust you have in these laws. The trust can be easily increased by applying it consciously again and again.